Do you think superheroes only exist in comics? Think again. The animal kingdom is full of creatures with powers so bizarre, they'd put any Marvel character to shame. From turtles breathing through their butts to shrimp that punch with the force of a bullet. These animals are living, breathing miracles of evolution. Get ready to discover the strangest, smartest, and most shocking animal abilities on Earth. Yes, turtles can breathe through their butts. During hibernation, some species use a process called cloacal respiration. This allows them to extract oxygen from water through blood vessels near their rear end. It's a survival trick when they're stuck underwater for months. Their metabolism slows down so much that they barely need air. Instead of coming up for breath, they absorb it through their tissues. It's weird, it's real, and it works. Nature always finds a way. And for turtles, that way is surprisingly backward. Cows form strong friendships, and they even get stressed when separated. Researchers discovered that cows have preferred partners they spend most of their time with. These animal bonds help reduce heart rate and stress and even increase milk production. Just like humans, they thrive in the presence of their buddies. When isolated from their best friend, cows show visible signs of anxiety. They're not just herd animals, they're social individuals. Behind those gentle eyes is a deep need for connection. Friendship, it turns out, isn't just human, it's universal. Dolphins have names, and they know each other by them. These intelligent marine mammals use signature whistles to identify individuals in their pod. Each dolphin develops its own unique sound, like a vocal fingerprint. Other dolphins recognize and respond to these whistles. It's the animal kingdom's version of a roll call. Studies show they can remember these names for decades. This level of memory and communication proves just how intelligent they are. Beneath the waves, dolphins aren't just swimming, they're talking. Sharks have been swimming in Earth's oceans longer than trees have existed. Fossil records show that sharks appeared more than 400 million years ago. Trees, on the other hand, only evolved about 350 million years ago. That means sharks survived multiple mass extinctions, including the one that wiped out dinosaurs. Their ability to adapt is what keeps them thriving. From cartilage skeletons to electrosensory detection, they're evolutionary champions. These apex predators are more ancient than forests. The ocean is their kingdom, and they've ruled it longer than we can imagine. In the world of seahorses, it's the dads who do the birthing. Male seahorses have a pouch where females deposit their eggs. The male then carries and nurtures them until they hatch. He controls contractions and gives birth to dozens, or even hundreds, of baby seahorses. It's the only known example of true male pregnancy in the animal kingdom. This bizarre reversal of roles challenges what we think about nature. Evolution crafted a system where dads carry the next generation. In the seahorse world, fatherhood is a full-time job. Some parrots live longer than people. Certain species, like the macaw, can reach ages of 60, 80, or even over 100 years. That means a parrot could live through entire generations of a human family. Their incredible lifespan is matched by their high intelligence. Parrots can mimic speech, solve problems, and even form emotional bonds. But their longevity also comes with great responsibility for their caretakers. Owning one is often a lifelong commitment. These vibrant birds aren't just beautiful, they're practically immortal. Flamingos don't just look fabulous, they travel in style too. A group of them is officially called a flamboyance. With their bright pink feathers, long necks, and synchronized movements, it's a fitting name. These social birds rely on large groups for protection and breeding. Their pink color comes from eating carotenoid-rich algae and shrimp. The more they eat, the more flamboyant they become. Watching hundreds of them move together is like a living ballet. Even their name captures the wild beauty of nature's fashionistas. Giraffes take power naps to a whole new level. These tall, majestic animals sleep only about 30 minutes a day, often in 5-minute bursts. They stay alert for predators like lions, even while dozing. Most of their sleep is done standing up. Sometimes they curl their long necks and briefly rest. Their short sleep cycle is a survival strategy. In the wild, closing your eyes for too long is risky. For giraffes, less sleep equals more safety. They nap light, but stand tall. Penguins are romantics. They use pebbles to propose. Male Adelie penguins find the smoothest, roundest pebble and offer it to a female. If she accepts, they become a mating pair for the season. These pebbles are used to build nests and raise chicks. A good pebble means better shelter and stronger chicks. Some penguins even steal prize stones from others. It's love, survival, and a bit of drama, all in one icy courtship. When a penguin picks a rock, he's picking a partner for life. Pigeons pass the mirror test, and that's a big deal. Recognizing your own reflection is rare in the animal kingdom. It requires self-awareness, a trait linked to higher cognition. Pigeons can identify markings on themselves only visible in a mirror. That means they understand the concept of self. They also navigate complex routes and remember human faces. We often overlook these birds, but they're quietly brilliant. From cities to labs, pigeons are proving they're more than just flying background noise. The mantis shrimp throws a punch that breaks the glass. This tiny marine creature uses its claw to strike at speeds of over 50 mph. The impact creates a shockwave and even boils the surrounding water. It's so powerful that it can shatter aquarium glass. Scientists study the shrimp's claw structure for armor technology. Despite its small size, it's one of the strongest animals for its weight. The mantis shrimp proves that power comes in small packages. When it strikes, it's like a living weapon. Almost all bats turn left when leaving a cave. It's an odd behavioral pattern noticed by researchers worldwide. The reason isn't fully understood, but it may involve navigation instincts or echolocation patterns. Turning left might help them avoid collisions in tight spaces. It could also be connected to how they process spatial memory. Whatever the cause, it's a near universal quirk in bat behavior. Next time you visit a bat cave, pay attention. They may fly out with military-like precision, always to the left. Some snakes don't just slither, they glide through the air. Known as flying snakes, these reptiles flatten their bodies and leap from trees. Using their rib muscles, they shape into a concave wing and glide as far as 100 feet. It's not true flight like birds, but it's surprisingly graceful. They use this ability to escape predators or reach another tree. They live in Southeast Asian forests, blending movement and aerodynamics. Flying snakes prove that nature doesn't follow rules, it rewrites them. Tiny spiders can float across entire continents using silk. They release thin strands into the air, letting the wind lift them like a parachute. This is called ballooning, and it allows spiders to travel hundreds of miles. Some have even been found in the upper atmosphere. It's how new islands get populated, with spiders, even without bridges. This travel method is light, silent, and eerily efficient. Insects may have wings, but spiders have strategy. Nature gave them silk, and they turned it into flight. Bees have face recognition skills similar to humans. In tests, they were trained to distinguish human faces using patterns and memory. Despite having tiny brains, they form complex, visual maps. This ability helps them remember which flowers and people are safe. It's especially useful in foraging and hive protection. Their facial recall is shockingly accurate. So the next time a bee follows you, it might actually know you. These buzzing workers are more observant than you think. Observant